Welcome back to the channel. Today we are focusing on one of the most requested topics in landscape design: achieving a stunning front yard without spending every weekend doing yard work. Homeowners everywhere are looking for ways to boost their curb appeal while minimizing maintenance. The secret lies in smart hardscaping choices and replacing demanding lawns with structured, elegant garden beds. A well-designed front yard is like a permanent welcoming committee for your home. By utilizing features like an island-style rock garden, you create a dynamic focal point that draws the eye and anchors the architecture of your house. We'll explore how combining organic shapes, strategic plant choices, and the incredible versatility of natural stone can give your property an expensive, highly curated look that practically takes care of itself. At the heart of our low-maintenance strategy is the extensive use of river rocks as a ground cover. Unlike traditional organic mulch, which needs to be replaced yearly and can wash away in heavy rain, river rocks are a permanent solution. They suppress weeds, retain soil moisture for your plants, and provide a clean, textured canvas that looks impeccable year-round. The aesthetic variety of river rocks is truly remarkable. From smooth, light gray and white pebbles that brighten a shaded yard, to dark charcoal and black Mexican beach stones that offer dramatic contrast, the color palette is vast. When these smooth stones are paired against the rigid lines of a home's foundation, like a classic yellow siding with dark brown accents, they bring an organic, grounding energy to the overall composition. A rock garden is only as successful as its borders. To keep river rocks contained and to give the garden its stylized, wavy shape, strong edging is essential. This is where you can really inject personality into your landscape design. For a rustic, natural vibe, short, vertical reddish-brown wooden logs are a fantastic choice. They allow you to easily create terraced, raised sections within the bed, adding height and dimension. If you prefer a more contemporary look, consider sleek, rusted Corten steel or poured white concrete curbing. Even natural materials like stacked slate or tumbled cobblestones can frame your river rock beds beautifully, ensuring that the smooth stones stay perfectly in place while separating the garden from the surrounding manicured lawn. While rocks provide the foundation, plants provide the life. In a low-maintenance front yard, evergreen plants are the stars of the show. They offer structure and color through all 4 seasons, meaning your yard will look just as impressive in winter as it does in spring. Consider anchoring your rockery with a tall, slender green arbor vitae to create vertical interest. Surrounding this with sprawling blue-green creeping junipers instantly softens the heavy look of the stones. To make the design truly pop, mix in bright chartreuse shrubs. That brilliant yellow-green foliage creates a stunning visual contrast against both the neutral river rocks and the dark brown architectural details of the house behind it. How we navigate through a front yard is just as important as the garden beds themselves. A walkway serves as the transitional element between the street, the garden, and your front door. It needs to harmonize with your river rock features. A geometrically patterned paving stone walkway in shades of beige and light brown beautifully complements natural river rocks. However, you can adapt this to your home style. A sleek poured concrete path adds a modern touch, while a classic red brick herringbone walkway lends traditional charm. Wrapping these pathways around the foundation of the house, right alongside your terraced rock beds, guides the eye and the visitor effortlessly toward the entrance. Ultimately, incorporating river rocks into your front yard design is more than just an aesthetic choice. It's a sustainable one. By replacing water-thirsty lawns with drought-tolerant evergreens and stone ground covers, you conserve resources and free up your own time. Adding a few large, jagged, vertical standing boulders among the smooth river rocks provides striking natural sculptures that require zero upkeep. When combined with smart pathway lighting and a lush, albeit smaller, frame of green lawn, your front yard becomes a masterclass in balanced design. Thank you for joining me on this landscape journey. Remember, beautiful curb appeal doesn't have to mean endless chores. Happy designing!